Okay. Okay, food. Yeah, you have here. See? Yeah.
Okay.
Aha, you like it?
No, but it's not. I want a dish.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
See, you have 5.
That.
Change this. And
Can you
where
hold
they
like?
put dates? Oh,
Hmm?
where they put dates. How long this you can eat?
I don't know. I think it's lonely, but it's okay.
You're looking at.
This one, November 23.
Ah, you must eat that in November. Okay. She is super spicy.
You wanna try?
No, I don't know. That is for you. Ramen. You order ramen next time.
No, but it's not
Noodle.
this ramyun. You want something?
I know. If I see something, I will try. What is this, like soup? Okay. Okay. You want
Either
it?
this one? Yeah, this one is
Yeah. You want more? Okay. What you want more?
They have these.
Like some cake. Huh?
No, this is good. But I don't like the paprika.
Okay. What you want more? What is this here? Some drinks, huh?
So,
Ah, that is that from TV shows. Okay, you buy it for like. What is this? Like Red Bull? What is this? Hey, Chupa Chups, bro.
no.
Huh?
I want to take this.
You only alcohol. I buy Chupa Chups and that. Why?
You want to try?
But to try.
You want?
Yeah.
One.
One.
Two?
Just to see. Hey, you. You are Chupa Chups. And Chupa Chups is Korean? Huh? Chupa Chups.
Seaweed. We want to find seaweed.
This you want. To photo you and it. Ah, seaweed.
You don't like
It's good? Okay, well, what do you have more here? Oh, well.
Do you need a hat?
No, we're just looking.
No? Okay, okay.
She like Korea very much.
Alright, take your time to have
Okay.
a look. If you need a hat, you can ask me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, you talk with real Korean.
Yeah.
You see?
This is for chicken.
Uh,
You need it?
okay.
I like this Korean spicy, but the price is like 720. But
Okay.
it's free. Check the tasting review.
Okay. I think I'm too close. Da, you here listen your music, your favorite music.
Do you think we need barbecue?
Why you buy you to try, bro?
Yeah.
Because you very much like that. Huh?
Oh, this is for pork,
Mm.
but we need to buy beef. Maybe we
Okay,
can
you-
try to have one.
Yeah, I'm like so close. Can you? Yeah.
This is, I think, like sauce. Ah, yeah, I really want to buy this kimchi. Can you?
Do I photo you?
Yeah.
Okay. No, okay. She, how is?
Oh, I think I'm wrong. I want to buy this.
Aha, that is that you wanted. I remember. Okay. That is that, huh? You look up. Soft tofu. You like tofu?
Ah,
No, you buy that. You want to try?
you want
How
to try?
see? And this, I will try that.
Ah, yeah, better
How
I
up,
buy stuff
like
in
hard.
there.
You see, this is hard tofu. That is
Let's
soft.
check it. I think better this one.
No, you see on the up is hard. You try and then. You
Yeah.
See?
I think better we try this.
I'll buy it. You like that then?
Yeah, for 1 week.
Okay. Here's what more you want.
No, I think that is enough. They have some mochi. This one.
What is this, bro?
Mochi.
No, like cake.
Yeah, but I don't know how to taste better. You wanna try?
Vex.
Da.
Okay, because I don't have my
Someone wanna try bubble tea. You wanna try this? Okay. And
Fish.
but I don't think you like it. This one.
Okay, then next time.
Yeah,
Okay, I think for today is enough. Huh?
that is enough. Spicy.
Is that enough?
They have udon, huh?
Who buy so many things?
Yeah, for 1 week is okay.
Yeah, you buy one.
You know who is the? Let's go.
No, you buy two stuff. Huh?